Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're making wind chimes. So this is an elephant. Is collect all two designs. So is two designs. So I will show you how to make it. So let's open. So you need a scissor. Ooh. Here's the elephant's body. Set aside. Here's the heart and stars. That's here. We don't know, guys. Oh, it's making sounds. Cool. Set aside. And the googly eyes. Googly eyes. And the sticker. And there's one more here. Oh, here's the ears. And the yarn. Here's the yarn. Red yarn. So, let's do it. But first we will set it aside for this. We will do the elephant. So let's see the instructions. Okay. So let's put the ear first. Here. So let's trash. So I don't know how to do it, so just like that. There. Let's stick the googly eyes right here. Oh, that's dead. Right there. Now let's get a sticker and cut to mini pieces. Cut to mini pieces. We will cut it. Stop. Oh, good, right? Here it is. Little French fries. So let's set aside first this 5. Set aside. Let's cut it to mini pieces. There, mini pieces. Ha ha ha, mini pieces. So let's get the googly eyes. So let's stick it. This is double-sided tape, guys, okay? Double-sided tape. Ah! Googly eyes. Wait a second. There's a plastic.
Tunay ngang walang pagkain, gamot o mamahaling laruan na tutumbas sa yakap at kalinga ng isang kaibigan.
There. Now we will peel the back.
Ang mga dating itinuro sa kanya?
There it is. Ay! Oh, there's a sticker. There. Googly eyes. Now let's put it. I will pick blue, so put it right there. Let's get a sticker. Ah. Now let's get the yellow star. I changed my mind. There, and take off the there, and stick it right there. gets the heart and put a red here. Perfect. Let's get a sticker. Yay! Put it and stick it. Cut it and stick it. There! They are done. Now let's get the yarn and the twine, please. Sail. Nice one. I have on my headphones too. So we will just like tie. Yeah. So we will get one of these. There. There. Like that. And we will cut it. Ask an adult. Now put it right here. Now let's tie. Na 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 na. Put it like that. I will show you these after the video. Cool, right? Now let's do the next one. Super hard to talk because I don't know how to write. Now
Ngayon po na sinubok tayo ng pandemic, ano yung mga importanteng values po na kailangan talaga natin?
Now like that. So here it is. Now let's get another one.
Ngayon po na may plano po magbalik dating ng tipito ng Loko. Ano po yung mga sorpresa na hinahanda niyo po for all the viewers?
Naku, alam mo yung sorpresa?
Ano na? Ano pa nga ba?
Ito pag-aandaan namin, meron ng magagandang pag-aanda. Basta ang ma-assure ko sa inyo, magiging sa puli namin.
I think that's super long. We will just adjust. Like.
Ayan, excited na kami dyan sa pagbabalik TV ng Pipito ng Loto. Let's invite po Kuya John our viewers to watch Pipito ng Loto. And of course, yung minsan
There.
Sa pagpapalik ng Pipito Manaloto ako, malapit na. Sabihin nyo kung kailan, pero malapit na. Nakahawakan ko na po. So, sa lahat po ng mga tumatabilis na Pipito Manaloto, maraming salamat po ulit at sa pagbabalik na Pipito Manaloto, abangan niyo po.
abangan talaga namin yan, Kuya John. Dagang salamat for joining us this morning.
There. Now let's tie.
Umokad to si John Fair, mga kapuso, ng paanggit na to sa ilang pagpangandam sa pagbalik taping na unya sa paborito na tundanan, ang Pipito Manaloto. O balik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.
Ang GMA Regional TV Live.
There. That's perfect.
Kaya dapat magdami
banana. Do you like milk? I like milks without anything. I can drink milks whatever I want. There. Now let's cut. There. Perfect.
We are happy to announce that the GMA Regional TV YouTube channel has given
The last one.
now with over 100,000 subscribers at patuloy pang dumarami. Buong puso kaming nagpapasalamat mga kapuso.
Then put it there. Huh? Oh no, oh no, I didn't. Super long.
Good morning, Artumulo. Good morning. Good morning sa lahat. Good morning, Nico. Thank you so much, Sai.
Pull, pull. There, now we'll cut it. There. Now let's tie. Tie. Perfectly. So there. Now the last part. Ah!
So far, wala namang sinabi ang sapat sa mga pag-uusap naman ng wala namang advisory.
There. That's super naughty. There. Oh, one more. There. Oh, sorry. Cut. You want to see it, guys? Or three? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Here it is. So cool. Let's shake it. Whoa, super cool. You need to try it. Okay, guys? I hope you like my video, and please subscribe, click the bell button, and share. Okay, guys? See you guys next time. Bye!